Hello everyone and welcome back to Cat and Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we give this machine just a tune-up, which means we have to remove the brew unit from inside the machine, deep clean it, replace some O-rings, put it back together and descale the machine, and then clean everything around the entire thing. Like for example this cover that was completely full of coffee buildup, as well as around the hopper, some of the areas around here, some of the areas around the edges, the machine itself, inside the machine. So we just give it a good cleaning overall. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test the entire machine out. That way we test the entire system through here. We're gonna be testing the milk system. We do not have milk, but we have milk cleaner, which is going to behave similar to how milk will come out. And as you can see, let me focus, there you go. Nice gentle stream coming out through there. Working excellent. Look at that foam forming at the bottom of the cup. There you go. Looking great. Now it's going to be dispensing the coffee through this spout instead of these ones, as this machine is able to do it. It's able to provide it's able to do cappuccinos in the same spout. And as you can see, nice gentle stream coming out through the spout. Looking great, excellent color at the bottom of the cup. 3 ounces of liquid, perfect. Look at that beautiful shot and what will be foam. Excellent consistency of foam as well. There you go, you can kind of see it better like this. Looking perfect. Now we're gonna do an espresso shot, and that way we're gonna be testing these spouts, and then we'll finish with the video. Pre-infusion and extraction. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color as well. 2 ounces of liquid. Nice layer of crema on the top as well. Look at that. Looking amazing. So there you have it. Jura E8 working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing Cat and Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.